Introducing the SM12 foldable tricycle scooter, the ultimate solution for seniors and individuals with disabilities seeking independence and mobility. With its new intelligent control system, the SM12 redefines the standard for electric scooters. Experience quick power delivery, reduced energy consumption, and extended battery life. The SM12's advanced motor technology ensures continuous high torque output, leading to improved endurance and whisper-quiet operation. Say goodbye to noisy rides and hello to smooth, stable acceleration. Navigate any terrain with confidence thanks to the SM12's front 12-inch deep saw tire with anti-skid 3D groove design. Plus, the rear double shock absorption system delivers unparalleled comfort and control, even on winding roads. Powered by a high-performance automotive cell, the SM12 offers exceptional output stability and up to 40% more driving range compared to traditional scooters. Enjoy longer rides without worrying about running out of power. With specifications like a 250W motor, 7.5/12.5A battery capacity, and a top speed of 20 km/h, the SM12 is designed to meet your every need, and weighing just 16.5 kg with a foldable design, it's easy to transport and store. Experience the freedom of mobility like never before with the SM12 foldable tricycle scooter. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the link in the description to buy now.